Stan. Today I'm going to show how to draw Golgotha Mountain, where Jesus died. So now let's start it. Okay, first let's sketch. The sketch will look pretty fun. Okay, now let's draw the outline of the mountain, which is everything. Daddy, I think I do too squishy. Did you think?
Okay,
now let's do the cross, which is not a straight line. I think Daddy can draw better, right?
of course.
Yeah. Okay, now let's draw the crossroad. And I think my sketch is not good, so that I make it longer. And you have to do short this time because Jesus' head was on it. Hey guys, we finished this cross. Now let's do the second one, which is same with the first one. It's pretty short because that this person on the cross disobeyed Jesus. And the other cross is longer than the short one because this person
Repents.
it repents to Jesus.
And another one didn't repent. So, which person to us is good?
I think it's the one that is longer because he apologized to Jesus and he goes to heaven.
Yes.
Okay, now let's draw the diagonal shadow because the sun was diagonal from the cross, so that we have to draw the shadow diagonal. Diagonally line was so good. If you think you are not good at it, you can turn the page and do it if you want to. Okay, now let's do the black ones. The black one's pretty dark, right? Let's do more dark. Okay, it's pretty good. What's going on, bro? Yeah, it's good when you do it thick because, yeah, it's a big fat shadow. And just trace the outline. Okay, let's do the second one. The second one is more thin. Okay, let's do the black. And let's fill it in. And we do the second one, same with the last one. It's pretty good, right, Daddy?
I like your black and white feeling.
Oh, thanks. Okay, thanks, Daddy. Now let's use the green pen to color the grass. And now let's color it in. Before that, you have to trace the cross, because if you accidentally color in the cross, then it's bad. Right, Daddy? Okay, there's too dark and there is too light. Okay, I think we have to do more dark. Okay, it's enough now, so I move on. It's going on really well. Okay, now let's color the cross. Use brown R27. And don't forget to subscribe. Also, let's do the third one. The same with the second one. And now let's do the stripes on the cross, which I'm not really good at that. But just ignore it. Okay, now let's do the sun. Sun pretty light. Okay, now let's do the yellow, which is really light, and do the strong orange. And remember that now. Okay, now let's do red. The red is in the sunset, so that the background sunset, I think. So that I use black pen to color the background. And it's black all over there, which you can't really see anything. Oof! I do something wrong by the cross. Just ignore it. I will fix it later. Can you guess how to fix it? Guess what? I will tell you later. Let's just first look at the darkness. I think I will get rid of it, but I can't. I draw hearts so that you can distract by the heart and not looking at the blackness because it's boring. Okay, now let's fix the one that I do wrong. But before that, I have to give a thumbs up. Okay, this is birds. We fix it to birds. Look, we finished this Golgotha mountain. So bye.